Hello, this is David White again with another tutorial for our secretaries and recorders for the Prince Hall York Rite family of North Carolina. Some secretaries and recorders, I was wondering how do they input their minutes into the system so they could be archived, and also so the members will be able to review the minutes from their home computer or from their mobile device. So that is what I will be covering. This tutorial is for secretaries and recorders. So first you will sign on as a secretary. If you are the secretary for chapter or for Royal Select Masters or for the Knights or for the KYCH or Lodge, of course you will come to the grand level membership management system, which will open up a new tab for you. From there, you will choose from the list of users. You would choose the recorder or secretary profile. And from there, you will select the commandery chapter or council of your that you are associated with. Type in the password for it. And if you happen to type in the wrong password, that is the error message that you will ultimately receive. And once you are logged into the system, you are ready to go. Of course, when you first bring up the page to add minutes, you will scroll down to right here where it says minute meetings. Click on that. So open up a template already right here. Just a pre-made template. This does not mean that you have to use this template. This is only an example. Okay? So, to get rid of this example, all you have to do is click anywhere here in the white space. So you have your cursor on your keyboard. Hit Control and A or Control All, or you can come up here to File, or excuse me, Edit, and click Select All. Once you click Select All, hit Delete to delete everything that is on the page. From there, if you've already typed your minutes up in a Word document, go ahead and minimize your screen. Open up that Word document, which has those minutes stored. Once again, hit Control A to select all, and hit Control C to copy. Minimize your screen. Open back up your minutes. Come over here, and then you can go to Edit and hit Paste. Or you can just type Control V or paste this text. So now the minutes that was on your other Word doc has now been entered into Lodge Helper. The last part that you need to do, come down here to the bottom, make sure the date is correct. This one was 13 June 2017. So you just come over here and make sure that everything is here correct. And then from the drop down menu, you have 3 selections here, the minutes, history, or notes. Since you are just doing the minutes, you would just click on minutes. If this was your history of your lodge, chapter, council, or commandery, here's where you can submit the history. Or if it's just notes, here's where you can submit the notes. And then those notes will always be archived. Once you hit submit, the template goes away and your minutes have been now submitted into Lodge Helper. If you want to check to see if your minutes were actually recorded, you can come up and go to Reports, Secretary Report menu. Minutes, meeting minutes, and there is right here the minutes that I just dropped in here. And remember the other 2 categories that I told you about, notes and history. If I had entered any notes would have showed up here. Or if it was history, it would have showed up here. And just to show you that it works, I will come over here. Once again, Control A to delete this template. Alright, I'll type in short text. We'll say it's today. I'll come over here, select notes, and then I'll hit submit. Brings it back up again. Come over here, just show the other one. And this time I will do history, submit. I'll come back over here and I will refresh my screen. And there you are. Here are the notes that I just entered, and here's the history. And if you actually want to look at it or edit it as a secretary, you just click on that. And now you can go in here and you can edit whatever it is that you put in there. And then once you edit it, you click update and it takes you back to that screen. If you happen to have something in here that you did not mean to put in here, all you got to do, click on the trash can and it deletes it. So this has been your tutorial for secretaries on how do you enter minutes into the system. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and I'm looking forward to working with all the secretaries across the state of North Carolina. Again, this is Brother David White of the Prince Hall York Rite family of North Carolina. Thank you, and have a good day.